Ford Explorer rear brake pads unboxing. Notes: anti-squeal grease, brake pad retaining clips and brake pads. Tools required for removing and installing rear brake pads on a Ford Explorer. Large electric impact wrench. Medium 13mm short socket. Large 19mm deep socket. 13mm wrench. 17mm wrench. Brake caliper piston rewind tool. Medium torque wrench. Large extendable ratchet wrench. Large torque wrench. Use the large 19mm deep socket with the extendable ratchet wrench to pre-loosen the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use the large 19mm deep socket with an impact wrench to remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Before replacing the brake pads, make sure to release both the parking brake and foot brake. Use a 13mm and 17mm wrench to remove the caliper mounting bolts. Remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the brake caliper. Hang the caliper using a caliper hook through this hole. Secure it in a suitable position. Remove the brake pads. Remove the retaining clips. The clip on the other side is on the inner side. Use the piston rewind tool to retract the piston. Align and insert. Turn the screw rod. Press against the backing plate. It is recommended to lubricate the piston boot before retracting. Then proceed with piston retraction. After the piston is fully retracted, remove the rewind tool. After retracting the piston, pay attention to these two grooves. They must align horizontally with the pad locating pins. Check the locating pin on the brake pad. There is a pin here. Align it with the corresponding hole so that installation can proceed correctly. Comparison of new and old brake pads. Install the retaining clips into the slots, 2 at the front, 2 at the rear. The flat side of the clip should face the caliper bracket, with the flat side seated in the groove. Clip it into place. Install the remaining clips in the same manner. After installing the clips, install the brake pads. Align the pads with the clip grooves and install. Install the other side in the same way. Brake pads installed. Apply anti-squeal grease to the pad surfaces. All pads should be coated, but only on the backing surface. Apply a thin, even layer. After application, reinstall the caliper. Remove the hook. Align and install. Align bolt holes. Install mounting bolts. Install the second bolt. Use 13mm and 17mm wrenches to tighten the bolts. Use a 13mm socket with a torque wrench to torque the caliper bolts. Torque spec 33 Newton meters, 24 foot-pounds. Right side installation is the same as the left. Reinstall the wheel. Install lug nuts. Use a 19mm deep socket with an impact wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench to torque the lug nuts. Torque spec 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds.